Hello again. This is the next in my series of videos about how to be an MC or how to compare an event. And what I wanted to do was just touch on some of the things that I've learned over the years as an MC that I think can make the big difference when you are running an event. For example, quite often I get approached by people saying, oh, can you give this notice, please? Or, oh, could you mention this, please? Oh, could you let them know about this? I will only ever take instruction from one person. That's the event organizer or the person who is my specific liaison. I won't allow other people to start putting stuff into my script because actually they may not have permission from the event organizer and it can suddenly really expand out. So make sure you're clear when you start taking on this MC role that you're going to take instruction from one person. Any request goes to that person and they will then filter them through. Another classic one is, oh, we've got a birthday in the room. Could you say hello? Could you sing happy birthday to my friend here? If you do find yourself doing that, and it does happen, particularly at social events rather than business events, just make sure that you check that there's nobody else in the room with a birthday. Because quite often, if you sing happy birthday to one person, there's somebody else seething on the other side of the room because it's their birthday too, and they didn't get happy birthday. I don't mind doing happy birthday stuff if it's a social event. Say at a business event, I don't think it necessarily feels as appropriate, but make that judgment on the day. The other thing to watch out for are things like raffles. Raffles can suck the energy out of a room. Because as you say, right, it's time to draw the raffle. Suddenly everybody's now looking in their pocket, getting their purse out. Where are my tickets? What have you? And it's like, okay, let's pull a ticket. It's this number. Is that number? No, that person's not here. What do we do? Do we save the ticket? Do we just put another one? Are they in the loo? Have they gone home? What do we do? And then also, if they are here, they then spend hours getting out their chair and coming up to the stage to pick a prize and all this stuff, by which time the energy just dissipates in the room. If there is going to be a raffle, this is the sort of thing to talk about to an organizer beforehand. Find out how many prizes and just pull that number of tickets. So, you know, there are 6 prizes, so I'm going to pull 6 tickets. Prizes are going to be down here. If you hear your number called, please come and collect your prize. And boom, 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 boom. 6 tickets come out, read out the numbers and do that. I've even now started, there's a lot of prizes suggesting that the tickets are drawn away from the stage. And then we just put up a slide saying, these are the winning ticket numbers. And then people can go to a certain place to claim their prize. But just be aware that sort of thing can really suck the energy out of a room. Because if people aren't winning, they haven't got raffle tickets, they get bored, they'll start chatting, they'll wander off, and you can actually really lose the momentum. So just a few things to watch out for if you are emceeing. There's plenty more. If you are finding yourself facing these sorts of events, and I say these are particularly probably the social end of emceeing rather than the business end of emceeing, but it does happen there as well. Give me a shout, very happy to help. Hopefully that's been useful. And if you came here via my email newsletter while you're here, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you came here via YouTube, then do subscribe to my email newsletter. You'll find the link in the description below. See you soon.